We're back in the shop. What we're doing now is we are making a new frame rail. Okay, so you can see where I've made this piece is welded, this piece is finished. So when this actually goes back onto the car, it will be put in like this. The floor pan will sit on top of this, and this will sit on top of the inside of the body. Alright, the bottom has to be, if you look at the bottom here, whatever plane this is in. So this could bend like this, it could bend like this, doesn't matter. This plane has to be flat. Okay? So all of this is going to follow the contour of this while straightening this as the sides. And in doing that, what we'll be doing is we'll be bending this here so it actually matches. But when we're finished, this plane and this plane will be parallel or flat with each other. Okay, so they'll be parallel with each other, and whatever shape this is, that's okay as long as these two planes are flat. so it's just a little bit more cleanup to do over here. Straighten this out just a little bit. We just weld this section on, and then we have to curl this in here like we did this side, and then give it a prime, and it's ready to go back in the car. But there's our new frame rail. We're almost there. Okay.